Hey there, credit card warriors! Welcome back to another deep dive into the fascinating world of financial gadgets. Have you ever wondered if those trusty credit card machines at your favorite coffee shop have an expiration date? You know, the ones that have been there for what seems like forever. I mean, they've been there for ages, right? It's almost like they're part of the furniture now. Well, buckle up, because today I'm digging into the world of credit card machines and their oh-so-mysterious lifespans. You might be surprised by what we uncover. First up, let's talk about the hardware. These machines are more than just plastic and buttons. They're packed with technology. Just like that ancient laptop from college that's collecting dust in your closet, credit card machines do have a lifespan. They're not immortal, even if they seem like they are. Most of them last around 5 to 7 years, depending on how often they're used and how well they're treated. Heavy usage and rough handling can shorten their life considerably. So if your barista's machine looks like it's seen better days, it might be time for an upgrade. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the physical wear and tear. The hardware isn't the only part that's got an expiration date. The software running these machines is just as important. Software updates are crucial too. They ensure the machine runs smoothly and securely, adapting to new standards and threats. Without regular updates, these machines can become vulnerable to security threats. And in today's world, that's a big no-no. And nobody wants their latte purchase to lead to a data breach, am I right? It's a nightmare scenario we all want to avoid. Now let's talk about EMV compliance. This is a big deal in the world of credit card transactions. You know those chip cards that we all love to hate because they take forever to process? Yeah, those. Well, they're here to stay. They add an extra layer of security that's crucial in preventing fraud. Credit card machines need to stay up to date with EMV standards to ensure they're secure and compliant. And guess what? That means more updates and eventually newer machines. But don't worry. Retailers usually get plenty of notice before their machines are phased out. So your favorite store won't suddenly be unable to take your money. Thank goodness, right? It's all about keeping the transaction process smooth and secure. So, next time you swipe, dip, or tap your card, give a little thought to the hard-working machine behind the scenes. It's got quite the job keeping your transactions smooth and secure. And just like us, it needs a little TLC and the occasional upgrade. Regular maintenance and updates are key to its longevity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun financial facts. Catch you later. Stay savvy, my friends.